Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings from Shannon Rollings Real Estate. I rarely feature one of my houses I have listed in my weekly video, but today I wanted to share with you a listing I recently took that has a lot of great renovation ideas in it. I was blown away when I walked into this 1960s home. From the time I stepped in the foyer, I could see I was in for a special treat. They had opened up the stairwell, making it light and bright, and I could see from the foyer all the way through to the dining room and living room. In the living room, they had removed the ceiling, vaulted it, removed the wall between the dining room and living room, and made it a great open space, super for entertaining and everyday living. The powder room and the laundry room, they removed the doors that were non-functional, causing problems in walkways, and installed these fabulous barn-style doors. In the kitchen, they also removed a wall, made it a big space, has a gorgeous large island with lots of seating space, and they kept the fantastic fireplace that adds warmth and ambiance and great in the wintertime. They also put in a mud bench seat, which is right when you come in from the garage, which is super for the kids or anybody wanting to sit down to put on their shoes or take them off. And the master bathroom, they made fabulous without adding square footage. They removed the old tile floor, they removed the old vanity and brought in a beautiful vanity. They installed gorgeous tile floor, and then in the shower, they removed the surrounding shower that was claustrophobic and instead put a new tile on the wall, put in a nice glass front door, and made it light and open. The bathroom is fantastic now. And again, they didn't add any square footage to it. If you were to build this house in the Hammond Hill School District now, it'd probably be closer to $300,000. You can get this house for under $208,000. It's a great buy. For more information about buying and selling or other information about real estate, visit my website at shannonr.com, and thanks for watching.